Welcome to Ireland, welcome to Celtic Rider. Thank you for your custom. This is a short orientation video, followed by the on-road ride out with a Celtic Rider member of staff, lasting for approximately 50 kilometres, which will greatly assist you to ride safely on your tour as we ride on the left side in Ireland. Garmin Zumo GPS instructions for all riders going on Celtic Rider self-drive tours. Each morning, to start the day's route, remove the plastic cover from the cradle by depressing the button on the top right hand side, then place the Garmin GPS into the cradle from the bottom, click firmly into position. The unit will power up automatically. Please press agree when the pop-up message appears, meaning you agree not to use the GPS while driving. The home screen appears, where to and view map. To start your day's route, select App for Applications, then on the top left select Trip Planner, then select your day's route by scrolling down on the menu, press Go, OK. It can take up to 60 seconds for the GPS to pick up satellites, so take your time during this process. And start. As part of your paperwork on arrival, an A4 sheet is given which outlines the process. Please remove the GPS unit when leaving your motorcycle and store safely. It turns off automatically as it has a 15-second countdown timer. It is critically important never to restart your route during the day, as this will bring you back to the starting location of your tour. The Garmin knows where it is at all times. Follow the pink coloured line which shows you the turns to take. How do you find your accommodation? On arriving into the town or village you are staying in, the pink line simply disappears. Press the return button to bring you to the home screen. Press where to, look for favourites with a heart symbol, click on favourites, followed by all favourites, and on the search box simply type in the name of your accommodation provider, then press go. After packing up your motorcycle, departing Celtic Rider, ride on the left side of the road. Our road is called an L road, meaning local road. Generally only one lane wide for traffic going both ways. Our motto in Celtic Rider is, look right but stay left. Keep left and enter slowly in case of oncoming traffic. Note the oncoming car. This can be disconcerting for a while until you orientate to riding on the left side of the road, with oncoming traffic approaching on your right side. Note the first roundabout sign and glance at your Garmin GPS to see the correct exit to take. Next is another roundabout sign showing all exits. Note the yield signs, meaning drivers must yield to traffic already on the roundabout, and the black and yellow directional arrows on the roundabout itself. We ask all riders to have in their mindset that you are planning to go but preparing to yield if there is traffic already on the roundabout, as they have the right of way. Gassing up your motorcycle, or your Can-Am, or your car. In Ireland and Europe, use unleaded pumps only. Handles are green in colour and all fuel is premium grade 95 octane. This is really important, as gassing up with diesel could mean your tour is over. When it comes to gassing up, the motto in Celtic Rider is green is good and black is bad, because the black pumps are diesel. Before fueling up, you must turn your ignition off. And with BMW R1250 GS keyless bikes, you then simply lift the fuel filler flap up to gas the bike. We advise all riders to choose a pocket for their ignition key and use only this pocket for the entire duration of their tour. This is a safety initiative. Secondly, make sure you pay for your fuel. Some of the gas stations you can use your card, but others you must go inside to pay. When turning onto a highway sign is white over blue. followed by the posted speed limit, usually 120 km per hour. On the approach to a toll plaza, watch out for the sign showing the prices. Motorcycle price is at the top. As you approach a toll plaza, please ride to the booths that are specific for cars and motorcycles. These booths have overhead white coloured height restriction signs. To pay by card, simply present your card to the card reader. 4 small blue lights will appear to indicate the payment is successful. If paying with cash, simply throw a coin or coins into the coin basket, and if change is due, it will be dispensed in a slot directly below the basket. The barrier will lift and stay up till you ride through. If you are unable for any reason to get the barrier to lift, please press the assistance buttons once and someone will speak to you over the intercom. Overtaking cyclists, please allow a minimum distance of 1.5 meters and indicate to let other road users know you are overtaking. This applies to people walking on the roads too. Many parking areas are gravel to allow rain to pass through quickly. Ride slowly on gravel and apply your brakes gently. And if riding with other riders, please allow a minimum distance of 1 meter between handlebars to avoid bikes coming into contact with each other, as this can cause bikes to fall over. When parking up your motorcycles during the day, please use the handlebar lock. Turn the handlebars to the left and use your ignition key to press the lock down and to the left. And on keyless bikes, simply depress the button till you hear an audible click. As you approach old stone bridges, in many cases the centre white line disappears, meaning the bridge is not the width of 2 cars that pass each other. Approach carefully, as your line of sight can be greatly reduced as the bridges are hump-shaped. After crossing over a narrow 1-lane bridge, the road then becomes 2 lanes again. When overtaking slow-moving vehicles, such as tractors, camper vans, etc., always check your mirrors, make sure there is no oncoming traffic, execute a lifesaver, i.e. turn your head to see what is outside your peripheral vision, to double check no one is overtaking you, indicate right, commit to the manoeuvre and overtake quickly, and return to your lane again. Nobody expects motorcycles to stay behind slow-moving vehicles. When there is more than one sign on a post, the reading order is from the bottom up. So this sign means the road ahead is getting narrow. The sign above explains why, narrow bridge. Note the T-junction sign on your left side. At all T-junctions, check your Garmin GPS for the correct turn to take. And if turning right, position your motorcycle on the right side of your lane, then take a long right. If turning left, stop your motorcycle on the left side of your lane and take a short left. Riders must keep their near side to the left shoulder as they ride, that is hedgerows, sidewalks, etc. It is simply impossible to ride at the posted speed limits on many of our roads due to short sight lines, so use your mind and your common sense where there are high walls, hedgerows, etc. and always stay on the left side. Entering towns and villages, look out for reduced speed signs, speed ramps, use control the speed of vehicles, as speeding through towns and villages is a serious driving offence. It is not uncommon to have very high hedgerows and twisty country roads, meaning your line of sight is greatly reduced. Always expect the unexpected as pedestrians walk towards oncoming traffic, cyclists, people on horses, etc. Everyone has the same rights to use the public roads in Ireland. If riding with other riders, make sure to apply the minimum 2-second rule to ensure a safe distance between you and the rider in front of you. Increase this as your speed increases. Celtic Rider wishes all riders to avoid alcohol during the day while touring, as drink driving is a very serious offence in Ireland. Recap on the approach to roundabouts. Think of a roundabout like a clock. You enter from 6 p.m. and if your exit is before 12 p.m, stay in the left lane. If after 12 p.m, stay in the right lane nearest to the roundabout, and always indicate to let other road users know your intention. Always yield or give way to drivers already on a roundabout, as they have the right of way. Quick recap on approaching T-junctions with zero visibility till your vehicle is stopped on the white line. Make sure there's no oncoming traffic, and if turning left, take a short left, as is, you can see with the Can-Am Spider, and if turning right, a long right, as you can see with the two motorcycles. Make sure there is no oncoming vehicles, critically important. Paul here from Celtic Rider. Our company started in 2007, and during that period of time we've always had the option for people to rent motorcycle clothing. As far as I'm concerned, the best riding gear on the planet that's suitable for the actual conditions we have in this country, it has to be textile. And with that in mind, we use climb riding gear. And in all the millions of kilometres of riding people have done in this country, and indeed in England and Scotland, no one has ever got wet. The stuff is just incredible. We put our money where our mouth is. Thank you for your attention while watching this Celtic Rider safety orientation video. We believe that this video, combined with the safety orientation ride out, which will follow shortly, in which a Celtic Rider staff member will lead your tour for roughly 1 hour, both of these things will set you up for a safe and memorable adventure tour in Ireland. Bye for now, everyone.